Writ petition has been dismissed.
My Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, my Lordship.
1-3.
1-3, my Lordship. My Lordship, today I have little personal difficulty, my Lordship. Can it be fixed on Tuesday, my Lordship?
These are all old matters. Why are you seeking time?
Last opportunity, my Lord.
A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf by Sri T.K. D, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Put stop. Considering that this matter is pending since the year 2019, a last opportunity is granted, directing listing of this matter on next Tuesday.
Deeply advised.
Next Tuesday is 12th, 12 May.
Please, Lord. For listing of WPC, Lordship, we're getting
Pertaining to this bench,
foreigners tribunal.
foreigners tribunal.
Can be on Monday, Lordship.
Fresh matter.
Not fresh matter.
Then-
Admission. Last occasion on 27/4, Lordship, it was left over.
Matter of which year?
Up to 2020, Lordship.
20.
20.
Okay, we'll have it.
Monday, Lordship. Apna.
Mr. Day?
My Lord, please, my Lord. Item number 12, my Lord. J. Pal, my Lord, I'm mentioning this matter on behalf of Mrs. J. She has personal difficulty. One of her family member is admitted in the hospital, my Lord.
Okay.
He just requested me to,
Yes, madam. On Tuesday next.
my Lord, any
Okay. On a request made on behalf of Ms. J. Pal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on 12/5.
Please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 2. My senior is actually he's suffering from blood dysentery. He's not available in court today.
Item 2, motion matter 19. Okay, Tuesday next.
Yeah, okay,
Okay,
Lordship.
same order, huh? On a request made on behalf of A.R. Sigdar, Principal, on Tuesday next.
Obliged,
A.R.
Lordship.
Sigdar, नाम हुआ है, on behalf of Tuesday next 12.
Item 1.
May I plead the Lordship? My Lord, the petitioner challenges the opinion of the tribunal, learned tribunal at page 41, my Lord. Page 41.
Yes.
My Lord, the petitioner was born in the year 1982, my Lord.
Just give us a minute.
Petitioner was born in the year 1982 in the district of...
Just give us a minute. 1 minute.
Yes, yes, madam.
Year of birth, born
1982, my Lord. On 15/3/1982. The birth certificate is at Annexure 1, my Lord.
1982.
Yes, my Lord.
Okay.
And thereafter, she got married in the year 2003, my Lord. 13/4/2003, my Lord.
Let us see the documents first.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, Annexure 1 at page 13, my Lord. Page 13 and page 14 is the original, my Lord, in vernacular, my Lord.
It was amazing. Annexure 1 page
Page 13, my Lord.
1-3.
It is the translated copy and vernacular in is page 14, my Lord. This is the birth certificate issued to the petitioner, my Lord.
Fourteen is the birth certificate.
Yes, my Lord. And it has been exhibited as Exhibit 1 before the learned tribunal, my lord.
Issued on
Issued on 2/5/2020, 36/1992.
2/5/2005.
Yeah.
2/5/2005.
Yes, my lord. 2/5/2020, 2005. Date of registration.
Did you follow the procedure? Not followed.
No.
Then how did you manage to obtain this?
For obtaining the birth certificate. Yes, my lord. Probably it was followed, my lord.
No, if you do not apply within a particular time, there
Yes,
is a
my lord.
procedure prescribed.
Yes, my lord. By submitting affidavit and some other document.
Affidavit not before notary, affidavit has to be before magistrate.
Yes, my lord.
Those you have done.
Yes, my lord.
Father, who is your father? Muhammad?
Father is Ajir Uddin, Muhammad Ajir Uddin, and mother is Mrs. Halima Bibi.
Muhammad Azir is J.I.R.
I.R. Uddin. Mother is Mrs.
Halima Bibi.
Halima Bibi. It was exhibited as Exhibit 1 before the learned tribunal, my lord.
Okay.
Then, my lord, the Kabin Nama. She got married in the year 2003, my lord. The Kabin Nama original at page 17, my lord. The translated copy at page 15, Annexure 2.
Page 17.
Yes, my lord. Page 17 is the original one, and page 15 is the translated copy, my lord.
Kabit number dated
13/4/2003, my lord.
13.
4/2003. She got married to one Muhammad Saifuddin of the same village, my lord, where she was born, her place of residence.
No,
And this was
husband who got married to?
Muhammad Saifuddin. 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 It was exhibited as Exhibit 2 before the learned tribunal, my lord.
Yes, madam, you can have a seat. There are seats vacant. Don't keep standing. Young trainees or whoever. Have a seat.
My lord, in the Kabin Nama also, it has been mentioned that the petitioner, Silpi Begum, father's name Ajiruddin and father's name Ajiruddin, of the village Borhajor, PO Borhajar.
Let us see the voters list.
Then voter list at page 19, my lord, Annexure 3. It is the voter list of 1966, my lord, where the name of the father of the petitioner appears, my lord. It is a certified copy of the voter list, my lord.
Correct.
Page 20.
Okay.
Then, my lord, page 21, original at page 22. The In the 1966 voter list, the name of the father and mother of the petitioner appears, my lord.
66.
Yes, my lord. Aziruddin and Halima Bibi.
Okay.
Then, my lord, 1970 voter list at page 21, my lord. It was exhibited as Exhibit 4, my lord.
The
Annexure,
earlier one was exhibit.
in 1966 was exhibited as Exhibit 3.
Okay.
Then 1970 voter list as Exhibit 4, Annexure 4, my lord. Page 21. The certified copy at page 22, my lord. Here also, my lord, the name of the father and mother of the petitioner appears, along with his uncle, my lord.
Yes.
Then, my lord, Annexure 5, page 23, voter list of 1997, my lord. Here, my lord, the name of the father, mother, and elder brother of the petitioner appears, my lord. It was exhibited as Exhibit 5, my lord.
There is a big gap.
Yes, ma'am.
70 to 97.
Yes, my lord. That voter lists are not available. But the name of the village and other are same in respect of 1966 voter list, 70 voter list, and 1997 voter list, my lord.
House number is different.
Yes, house number that may be different because new houses comes.
But not, this is not the case of new houses. Earlier it was 103, now it is 51. Few houses were demolished over. The number got reduced.
51. Yes, my lord. House number is different. 56 and 70 is same, my lord.
Mm.
Then 1997. And then 2005 voter list, they are also house number different. But other details, part number, village, everything same, my lord. 1997 voter list at Annexure 6, Exhibit 6, my lord.
Yes.
Then Annexure 6 at page 25, 2005 voter list, my lord. It was exhibited as Exhibit 6, my lord. Here, my lord, the name of the father, mother, and elder brother and sister-in-law of the petitioner appears, my lord.
So you do not have a voter's list along with your parents,
No, my lord,
because you say that you got married
in the year 2003.
in 2003,
And-
and the moment you attained the age of
Yes, my
voting, you were already married.
Yes, my lord. Her name appears, my lord, in the voter list of 2010, my lord, Annexure 11, page 33, my lord, along with the name of her husband, my lord.
What is 2010?
2010 voter list, my
Page
lord. Page 33, my
What
lord.
is page 28?
Page 28 is the voter list of 2010 in respect of her father, mother, and brother and sister. 2010 voter list. Then there is a voter list of 2017 also. Voter list of 2017 at page 29, my lord. The name of her father, mother, elder brother, sister-in-law, and her sister appears, my lord. Then Annexure 9, page 31 is the voter ID card of her father, and page 32 is the voter ID card of her mother, Adiruddin and Halima Begum.
Let us see your voter ID, voters list.
My lord, page 33, my lord. Annexure 11. Saifuddin,
Exhibited
yes, my lord.
as
As my lord, 7 and 8, my lord. This 2010 voter list as exhibit 7, and then my lord.
7 could not be. This is 2010 is different. That is father's voters list.
No, my lord, this voter list has been exhibited. In the opinion also, your lordship will find that exhibit 7 and 8, which contains the name of OP's husband along with the names of other.
And what is the 10 of father that is not exhibited?
No, my lord. Up to the year 2005, voter list have been exhibited in respect of her father.
2010 voter list, you are there.
Yes, my lord.
Who is Saifuddin?
Saifuddin is the husband of the petitioner, my lord.
And Silpi, you are 27 years.
Yes, my lord. Born in the year 1982, my lord.
Earlier voter list, 2010, you are 27 years.
Yes, my lord.
Earlier to this, where is the voter list?
That is not available with.
And who is Rafiquddin?
Rafiquddin is the brother of Saifuddin, my lord. Younger brother of Saifuddin.
Brother-in-law.
Yes, my lord. Brother-in-law of the petitioner. Then another voter list of 2017 has been exhibited, page 35, my lord. Annexure 12.
This is exhibit 8.
Yes, my lord. Annexure 12, exhibit 8.
Age 30,
35, my lord.
36.
Yes, 35 copy at 36, my lord.
2017.
Yes, my lord.
Saifuddin.
Yes, my lord. Saifuddin, Rafiquddin, Silpi Begum.
Rosna Begum, daughter of Samir. Where was she in the earlier voter list?
Daughter of Samir.
Who's Rosna Begum? Your sister-in-law.
Yes, my lord.
She did 30 years
30 years.
in 17.
Yes.
So 2010, her name is not there.
Yes, my lord. It is not there, my lord, in the voter list of 2010, my lord.
House numbers?
House number is same, my lord, 19.
Okay.
So, my lord, these are the documents exhibited before the learned tribunal, and the relevant paragraph of the learned tribunal opinion at page 43, my lord. (43) Roman 6, my lord. My lord, the opinion says that it is to be mentioned here that even though there is statutory presumption as to genuineness of certified copy under Section 79 of Indian Evidence Act, taking judicial notice of the presence of a large number of fake documents in circulation in the state of Assam, the Honorable Gauhati High Court has held that mere filing of certified copy of voter list would not be adequate. Contents of the certified copies would have to be proved by comparing with the primary evidence. That is electoral roll in original produced by the lawful custodian of the primary evidence and on the strength of testimony of such authority in the authority. In the absence thereof, such certified copies would not have overwhelming evidentiary value as would be ordinarily assigned to a certified copy. So in this regard, I would like to submit that, my lord. Now, my lord, it is settled by this honorable court that voter list, certified copy of the voter list is admissible. If the tribunal has any doubt regarding the genuineness of the same, they can call for the authorities, my lord, issuing the authorities and examine them, my lord. But here in the case, my lord, it was not done, my lord. Because certified copies of the voter list has to be accepted. Even if regarding any doubt, the concerned official should have been called for, my lord. Because only on the basis of this finding, my lord, the learned tribunal has declared the petition, they did not rely upon the voter list of the produced by the exhibited by the petitioner, my lord.
Which is this judgment, you know?
One judgment is Jyotsna Dotto, my lord. Jyotsna Dotto তো আছে না, এটা voter list এর উপর দিয়ে আছে, Jyotsna Dotto আছে না? কিন্তু আছে voter list, হুম। একটু discrepancy দিচ্ছে।
Let us see the decision.
Borhan Ali. One is Borhan Ali, my lord. Reported in 2018 4 GLT 392, my lord.
2018 4 GLT.
392, my lord.
What is name?
Borhan Ali.
Borhan.
Borhan, BORHAN.
BORHAN. Borhan Ali alias BARHAN.
Paragraph. Borhan paragraph
Paragraph 9.
9.
Paragraph 8. Paragraph 8, my lord, it says, my lord, there is one more aspect. Though under section 79 of the Evidence Act, there is presumption as to genuineness of certified copies, provided that such document is substantially in the form and purports to be executed in the manner directly by law in that behalf. It is in the public domain that citizenship is a contentious issue in so far the state of Assam is concerned. There are 100 foreigners tribunals functioning in the state of Assam which are mandated under the law to answer references made to them by the referral authority, that is concerned Superintendent of Police Border, as to whether the proceedee is a foreigner or not. Simultaneously, process is on for finalizing or rather updating National Register of Citizens in the state of Assam. In both the processes, proceedee or the claimant, as the case may be primarily rely upon voters list to prove their citizenship. It is also in public domain that a large number of voter lists have been detected, which have been suspected to be not genuine. Therefore, notwithstanding the presumption of genuineness under section 79, it would be safe for the tribunals and the courts to insist on proof of contents of such certified copies by comparing with the primary evidence, that is electoral roll in original produced and testified before the tribunal or the court by the lawful custodian of such primary evidence, by the concerned electoral registration officer or by his authorized officer or personnel. So in that case, my lord, if there was any doubt regarding the voter list, my lord, the court tribunal should have insist upon the petitioner.
Is that the ratio?
Yes, my lord.
That only one arising of the doubt?
Yes, my lord. If they
Will
have
the
any,
tribunal come into the issues of on the aspect of veracity?
yes, my lord, genuineness of the document, my lord. So the case of
But
the
last part, it seems that
last part
the
it says
contents automatically does not get proved.
they. Yes, my lord.
Contents does not automatically gets proved,
Yes,
since it is a contentious issue.
yes.
So the burden, will the burden shift?
Burden doesn't shift, my lord. Burden is on the,
Please read again.
therefore, notwithstanding the presumption of genuineness under section 79,
Yes.
it would be safe, genuineness under section 79. Notwithstanding, yes, my lord. It would be safe for the tribunals and the courts to insist on proof of contents of such certified copies by comparing with the primary evidence. That is electoral roll in original produced and testified before the tribunal.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. And
So it's not the duty of the tribunal.
yes, my lord. But when there was, my lord,
See,
otherwise,
normally these views, strict views are not taken by all the tribunals.
Yes,
Now
my
this view has been taken.
yes,
Can you argue that this view is incorrect?
my lord, on the basis of the documents, or if we go strictly in terms of CPC, my lord, it is not incorrect. I fairly admit, my lord.
Not
But
CPC, Evidence Act.
yes, my lord, Evidence Act and
Evidence Act.
CPC. If we go strictly by the provisions of the Evidence Act, my lord, it is not incorrect, my lord. The view of the
But you
tribunal.
want to contend that those voter lists did not have anything to show that those were not authentic or the
Yes.
veracity was not put to question.
Yes, my lord. Because by going by the provisions of the Evidence Act, it is not incorrect, my lord. The opinion of the tribunal is not incorrect. But my humble submission is that, my lord, your lordship may remand the matter back, and then, my lord, a chance may be given to the petitioner to prove the genuineness of those documents, my
No,
lord.
there are other issues also. We can see
Yes.
first whether, even if we assume
Yes,
or accept your argument that this approach of the tribunal may not be a correct approach,
yes, my lord.
and we accept the voters list certified copy,
Yes, my
will
lord.
it be enough to establish a case of a link with your parents?
Yes, my lord, because my lord,
The only document is the birth certificate,
birth certificate
which
and
has been issued after how many years?
yes, my lord.
What is your explanation?
And the Kabin Nama.
Kabin number will not do. Kabin number is only for the purpose of marriage.
Yes,
Kabin number will prove your marriage. Kabin
Yes,
number will not prove who are your parents. Unless the Qazi says, who had proved the Kabin number?
no, that has
Nobody.
not been put. Yes,
So Kabin number will go.
yes, my lord.
Birth certificate, who has proved?
No,
Birth certificate, nobody has proved.
no, my lord.
Petitioner has proved.
Yes,
Madam, birth certificate has not been proved by the
Not
issuing authority.
long delay, lordship and the procedure.
The delay aspect, he or she can, he or she,
see.
she can explain the delay. At times it was not applied for, then you follow the procedure, but it has not been proved. And once there is a question of delay, the requirement of proof will be even stricter, required.
Lordship for this, because that is the only document.
Anything else, Mr. Bora?
No,
Okay,
yes.
Madam, start.
Lordship birth certificate is the only document which could include a linkage with the parents' daughter. So I'm going to address only on that point. And I'm relying on this judgment, Lordship, 2017 4 GLT 1097.
2017 4 GLT.
1097. Rastam
2017, 1,
4 GLT
4 GLT,
1097.
1097.
Yes, Lordship.
Name of the party?
Rustam Ali, RUSTOM
Rustam
Ali,
Ali.
and others.
Okay. Paragraph?
Lordship, paragraph would be, paragraphs are not marked, but I can read it out, Lordship. GLR would be, Lordship, 2018 3 GLR 145.
On what point? On what point? Oh, delayed issuance of birth certificate.
16. Paragraph 16, 17, 18, and 19, Lordship.
Please read, madam.
Lordship can have a copy, we have a copy. And I'll read it from the other one. 16, yes.
Already one code is, huh?
Lordship, paragraph 16.
Pull over the wisdom.
You can read this.
Mm.
Please read it slowly, madam.
First of all, there are grave doubts about the genuineness and authenticity of such certificates, as it is seen that certificates were issued on 9/7/2015 after passing of the order by the tribunal on 12/2/2014. That apart, on the left-hand top corner of the certificates, there is a seal of the Office of the Joint Director of Health Services, Morigaon, while at the right-hand side bottom, the seal of the issuing authority was shown as Register of Birth and Deaths, Morigaon. But most importantly, these two certificates were issued 18 years after the birth of the two children. Registration of Births and Deaths Act 1969 is an act to provide for regulation of registration of births and deaths and for matters connected therewith. As per Section 8, it is the duty of all persons to furnish information to the registrar about births and deaths in the family. As per Section 13(1), any birth of which information is given to the registrar after expiry of the period specified, but within 30 days of its occurrence, shall be registered on payment of such late fee as may be prescribed. Subsection 2 thereof provides that any birth or death or of which delayed information is given to the registrar after 30 days, but within 1 year of its occurrence, shall be registered only with the written permission of the prescribed authority on payment of the prescribed fee and production of an affidavit. Under subsection 3, any birth or death which has not been registered within 1 year of its occurrence shall be registered only on order made by a magistrate of the first class after verifying the correctness of the birth or death and on payment of the prescribed fee. This position has been elaborately laid down in the Assam Registration of Births and Deaths Rules 1999, which provides that information regarding birth and death shall have to be furnished within 21 days of the occurrence, except in the case of plantations. Rule 9 deals with delayed registration, which is in terms of Section 13 of the Act. On the face of such statutory provision and the failure of the applicants to demonstrate compliance of such statutory requirement, these two documents, Annexure 3 and 3A, not only have no evidentiary significance, but considering the circumstances under which those have been brought on record, raises grave doubts about the authenticity of such certificates, more so when those were not rendered in evidence. It is quite evident that appellants have not approached the court with clean hands. They have taken recourse to and relied upon documents which cannot said to be authenticated. I'm relying on these paragraphs, Lordship.
So if birth certificate goes, nothing remains.
Nothing remains, Lordship.
Kabin-nama has not been proved. Even Kabin-nama, if it is proved, it will only prove the marriage.
It doesn't prove the linkage, Lordship. Linkage with the projected parent.
That is, it will only prove the marriage at best, with 5-14. But the parents' linkage will not be proved by a Kabin-nama.
Continuous stay is also not there. 66, 90 father and mother. Then the other voters list is of 1997, 20 years. They have not been able to show that continuous stay in the state of Assam, Lordship. And that too with the brothers.
70, 80, 90, 27 years.
Appears in the
27 years.
27 years, Lordship. Then in 2010, one of their daughters' name appears.
Yes.
And Kabin-nama has not been proved. The only document they had was the birth certificate, which has not been taken out as per procedure, Lordship. And the delay has not been explained. Neither the documents that they have gone through the magistrate, taken an order and then got the birth certificate. It's just a document which has been exhibited and next, Lordship. And none of the family members have come forward to give evidence also. Lordship, another thing which I have noticed it in the petition, Lordship, The translated copy has a date of 3692, but in the original, it is
Of? Of?
Birth certificate.
birth certificate, Lordship, at Annexure 1, page 13.
Page 30. Which
One.
one page?
1-3.
Page
13.
Lordship, last, Lordship will see Jugijan, PhD, Nagaon, Assam, in the writ petition, Lordship.
Hmm. Page 13.
What are you trying to show here, madam?
Lordship, the last date on page 13, Lordship.
Yes.
3692. But in the original, it is 2/5/2005. And Lordship will notice the seal on top and the seal below are two different seals in the original. Different offices, authorities are different. That is in the records, Lordship. Exactly, it relates to the judgment which I just read out, Lordship, at paragraph 60.
In the left-hand column, left side of the certificate in the top, my lord. It is the district health service.
Services.
This is primary health center.
Primary health center.
And-
And this is certificate is issued by, it cannot be of two authorities, madam.
Directorate.
Right below it is the
Directorate.
register of Death and Birth, madam.
This is to give more authenticity, two stamps.
Two stars.
That we checked it in the records, Lordship. So, Lordship,
Same thing here in the matter of judgment also, same issue was there. There are also two authorities.
Mr. Bora, where did you get this date 3692? We are not,
And the.
this will not be a clinching issue, but where did you get this date? Can you explain 3692?
My lord, it is a typographical mistake, my lord. I admit, my lord, because
No, typographical, definitely appears, but there is no,
Jugijan.
there is nothing of a similar nature date.
yes, my lord. Actually, it should have been 2/5/2005, my lord. That's why, my lord, I am relying on the original.
No,
one,
that
page
we are not
14.
finding fault with you.
Yes, my lord.
We are not raising any suspicion, but
the seal, Lordship, it gives away the whole evidence of this birth certificate. Two different seals in the original records, Lordship will find it. It would have-
কোনটো বেলেগ বস্তু?
It would primary health center. Lordship, it would tomorrow it would register death and
তেওঁ থাকি সেইটো আণ্ডাৰত বহে।
নহয় এইটো ওপৰত judgment আছে দুটা এনেকুৱা যদি seal থাকে
Primary health center.
There's no role to play, Lordship.
It's given by directorate of birth and death.
Lordship, paragraph 16 squarely covers this birth certificate next year, Lordship.
16 of Rustam.
Rustam, same Morigao district, Lordship.
No, this is of Nagaon district.
Hojai.
Hmm?
This is of Hojai, my lord. Hojai district.
Hojai.
Yes, my lord.
That time it was part of Nagaon,
Yes,
perhaps.
my lord.
Muradhar, but Muradhar is not in Hojai. Muradhar is still in Nagaon. Muradhar, either Morigao or Nagaon, not Hojai. Huh? Muradhar is Hojai.
A to be the signed register of births and deaths on Nagaon. It to be the health center.
Living a said all this is not been proved. This is the only document which has taken place to prove this. At least no birth certificate. Whether this Muhammad Aziz is this, there's a different expectation. To show that she is daughter of Quincy, that wasn't.
Lordship, interestingly, the reference is also of 2005 and the birth certificate is also related at the same time.
Was it before or after?
before Lordship. This is
Before. Oh, no.
2013.
Opinion was of 2018.
No,
Yes, madam.
reference.
References,
2005,
2005.
page 14, Lordship. Only after the
Yes.
reference was
Things,
initiated,
things started moving.
things started moving, Lordship.
Normally, that point of time, my lord, nobody have the birth certificate. Even I don't have any birth certificate as of today, my lord.
But you have your matriculation.
Yes, my lord. That is so. But otherwise, my lord,
Nowadays, it's compulsory.
compulsory, my lord.
Earlier, it was not compulsory.
Not my lord.
On 251 has it, this goes.
But Mr. Bora,
Yes, my lord.
if this is not proved in accordance with law, there is no document.
Yes, my lord.
Difficult case. Okay, anything else?
No, my lord.
Okay, we'll
So
close.
my humble submission is before your lordship, if your lordship remands the matter back,
No, remanding on the aspect of certified copies.
then probably the birth certificate also, if she could,
No, that, if you have proved the birth certificate, that you have not proved.
yes, my lord.
Let us see.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Obliged, my lord.
No DWs, no?
Only the petitioner had adduced evidence,
Yes, my lord.
no other.
No. Because, my lord, in that time, my lord, normally documents are exhibited. Now, my lord, the witnesses are produced, my lord. Otherwise, that point of time, that was the procedure, my lord.
2018 opinion.
Yes, my lord.
18 is the peak time. All opinions are started by 18 only. 18, 17, 16.
Before that.
What is 2025 GLT 395?
Borhan Ali, not Bender.
No, Borhan is different. Borhan is 18.4 GLT 392.
Yeah.
What is 25 GLT 395? No, it's not been cited today. Just somewhere there's a reference of this case.
Lordship can
2020
this Lordship.
5 GLT 395.
Majibur Mia. This is by Chimjala. Very short.
Mhm.
Hi, sir.
If these officials were not summoned for giving evidence regarding draft chitta Jamawandi,
Mm.
and that is not
Not relevant.
not
relevant.
Oh no, these aforesaid documents are public documents of which certified copies has been obtained. So certified copies were taken into account. Need not be proved.
Borhan had an 8 to 8. He should rely more on this. Borhan has not said Borhan dispense with the requirement. Borhan said that tribunal has the proof of examining. DP Bora. A. Verma. Then N. Kulita, ECI, P. Sharma, State Council, and G. Sharma for NRC. NRC. We are recording madam's name in this case. With opposition. কে ফুকানো কে ফুকান তুমি মিস কে ফুকান
এইখিনি পেলাই দিবা।
Item number?
Item 3, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Ahmed.
This is, my lord, a ex parte judgment, my lord. The judgment one was passed on 29/3/2010. The petitioner,
There is an I is for what?
IA for bail, my lord. She is in custody. She is a government employee, my lord.
26 matter.
But 2010, the
10, my
opinion.
lord. My lord, from initially, my lord,
Records have come.
from the date of her marriage to as of now, her address is, my lord, #1 Podumuni in the district of Golaghat, my lord. There is no shifting, my lord. Moreover, my lord, she is a government employee. She was, my lord, appointed as sweeper. My lord, I have annexed the appointment copy,
Which department?
Health Department, my lord.
Health department.
Yes, my lord. Appointment letter at page 42, my lord.
What was the finding regarding expertise?
Findings, my lord. Here, my lord, the inquiry officer examined as PW1. He stated that he visited the house of the petitioner and asked to produce documents regarding citizenship.
No, not at the inquiry officer. We are on the aspect of the reference. What about the statement of the Jari Karok?
Sarikarok,
Inquiry officer, prior to the reference, we are not
my
too
lord,
much bothered.
that is in the record, my lord.
Now, what are your explanation?
My explanation is, my lord,
It was not served upon
he
you.
did not receive any notice, my lord.
What is the
Because-
finding of the tribunal?
Finding of the tribunal is that, my lord, page 62, my lord, notice was served upon her, and my lord, notice was duly served upon her, and she did not appear before the tribunal. Hence, the expert proceeded.
Madam, the record, what does it say regarding service?
But she came to know after so many years. বাপরে, 16 বছর। It is 1%. 2026.
26.
হ্যাঁ। Mind you.
Good for low, so. 10 হলো।
Processor report writing notice was duly served. মই প্ৰতিমণিত হাজিৰ হয় মুস্তাহমদ মল্লিকা খাতুন স্বামী বাবুল আনি ঘৰতে লগ পাই ভালদৰে বুজাই দি নিজ হাতৰ টিপছহি লৈ বিধি অনুসৰি নটিচ জাৰি কৰিলো।
Her thumb impression is there.
Yes, Lord. Mallika Khatun. Yes. RTA is there.
Then, Mr. Ahmed,
My lord, my lord, the opportunity may be given.
why?
My lord, she
This cannot be a
as
matter
of
of
now,
routine.
he is on service, my lord.
It cannot be a routine. There are cases where there is certain firm denial of the receipt of notice. In those cases, we have taken a different stand. Here, your thumb impression is there. You have received the notice. Where is the scope? That is why records were called for.
The chance may be given, my lord.
How do you
Otherwise,
get a
my lord,
chance?
my lord, the petitioner. I have annexed, my lord, the appointment letter, everything, my lord. She is still on service, my lord. She will retired on, my lord.
Appointment,
thir-
will it ensure, will it be a,
She will appear, my lord.
no, is it a document of your citizenship?
No, my lord,
Appointment?
only
As a
earlier,
grade four,
my instruction
as a
was, my lord.
sweeper on a contingency basis?
My instruction was, my lord, she did not receive any notice. Because of that, I have annexed this.
Now the instructions are,
Yes, my
have
lord, it is
turned out to be incorrect
So, my lord,
instruction.
at
We'll not
this
say
stage-
wrong, we'll say incorrect instruction.
my lord. At this stage, my lord, she is taken in custody on 25/5/2025, my lord.
You have
On-
neglected the proceedings. Why should you, or it could be pass an order in your favor. You have neglected the proceedings. 16 years, you have taken a chance. Nothing is going to happen.
Although, my lord, she did not appear, she refused to appear before the court, my lord. But, my lord, she came to learn up when she was arrested on 25/5/2000.
You took a chance.
Hmm.
16 years.
10 years reading.
And my lord, she has been continuously, my lord, appearing in her service, my lord. Plus 16 years, my lord. No coercive action has not been taken against her, my lord.
So will it come to any of your benefit that no coercive action has been taken, so
No,
don't
my
take
lord,
any
that is-
coercive action? That is not an argument which will help you.
Yes.
You have
My
to
lord,
explain why, in
only-
spite of notice, you have neglected. You have chosen not to contest.
Only, my lord, a chance may be given, my lord.
Sorry.
She will appear, my
Let
lord,
us see the record.
my lord, within a statutory period, my lord.
Not in all cases. Expert orders, we are very lenient. But in our case, not in cases like this. After receipt of notice, 16 years you wait, take a chance, sorry. What was it?
It was examined also, PWI.
When? Oh, that already to Malika.
Nahi, pata nahi unhe.
Fine. Let's see, where is the judgment? Page.
Page 62.
A2 PW1, A2 denote the judge. He is the employer officer.
Okay.
So there should have been an endeavor to, in extreme case, judge hospital or
Majority of the also.
very correct. Jari Karak is one Purnananda Sammal. She is one Punitar Puran. But she's abusing the process. Local inspection of the separate corner, we took to the corner.
The episode about the when she was arrested, tops arise.
Hmm. Hmm.
The balance for the-
Then why is it?
Yes, tell us, madam or
My
Mr.
lord, my only humble prayer is, my lord, she may be allowed to appear before the tribunal, my lord, by imposing any cost, my lord.
Was there any restrictions for
and-
you to allow? Did somebody put a hurdle
Probably,
for
my
you
lord,
not to allow, not to appear? Was there any hindrance in appearing? You have chosen not to appear.
That is, my lord, correct.
You come to this writ court,
Now
the court of
she-
equity after 16 years. And not only in this proceeding, even in the inquiry stage, you had simply ignored. Nothing is going to happen.
Due to her ignorance, my lord, she is suffering.
You get a chance, man. She got to. She's arrested. She got to listen.
Let's take a deep breath.
Cost.
10,000. Maybe if we dismiss it, Supreme Court might take a liberal step, let us have the. But petitioner deserves that treatment. actually.
I think it is different. Did for hands of justice and commission.
Yes, madam, tell us something
Lord-
which can be
Lordship,
reasoned and which can be treated to be a balanced kind of an order.
Lordship, she had sufficient opportunities, Lordship. And it cannot be an endless proceeding after 15, 20 years again, once they are.
How did you
arrested.
come to know, Mr. Ahmed?
My lord, when the police came.
When did the police come to you?
25/5/2025.
Be true.
And she has been taken into custody on that day. And she is, my lord, in detention camp since then.
But can she say that she never knew that there was a reference pending against her? There is an inquiry, only after an inquiry, the reference is initiated, Lordship. And I'm sure, Lordship, the inquiry must have been much before the reference was initiated.
Have you gone through the record? You go through the record again. We'll have this matter, not today. Maybe after 2 weeks. We'll fix a date. Because no point in considering the IA for bail. If we allow the petitioner to, if we allow the bail, it's almost allowing the petition. And if we,
Here's the matter today, Lordship, on ex parte proceedings, the said Lordship. He has only one prayer, Lordship. He knows his matter very well. We would like to argue on the opportunities granted to him and on it cannot be an endless proceeding. And it could.
there is one aspect which
Yes.
perhaps you have not gone through. You have not examined the Jari Karak.
The EU has been examined.
EU is a matter prior to the reference. That is the problem.
Let's go to
See,
the
where it touches upon the nationality of a citizen.
citizen.
At the same time, the petitioner is taking the entire process for a ride. So we need to balance it. How do you balance it? Jari Karak has not been examined. Jari Karak is one Padma Purnananda Sonwal. This EO is an before the preference, the LVO kind of a thing, inquiry officer. That is prior to the proceeding. If and there is another drawback of the petitioner. At that stage also, she did not cooperate. when you had said that you furnished documents on your citizenship, she totally ignored, overlooked. And the reference also, she received notice, but you could have. There is a report of the Jari Karak. We can proceed on the basis of the report, but the ramification which this order will have, that is the only purpose. You go through the records, we'll have after 2 weeks. Okay? Heard Sri S.A. Amit Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard so and so. Pursuant to the the challenge in this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India is an opinion dated
29/3/2010
29/3. Where do you get the date?
at page 62, my lord. 29/3/2010, my lord.
29/3.
2010.
Yeah, 29.
29/3/2010 passed by the learned so and so in so and so. Huh? Apparently, the opinion is an ex parte one. Full stop. It is contended on behalf of the petitioner that she had never received notice. Full stop. Para. This court, while issuing notice, had called for the records of the learned tribunal, which have been received. Full stop. There is, however, a remark by the process server that the notice was served upon the petitioner and her thumb impression was also taken. Full stop. At this stage, Ms. A. Verma, the learned standing counsel, prays for some time to go through the records so as to make appropriate submissions. Para. List. Matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on 21st of May. You go through the records.
Oblige, my lord.
21st will be on I think for 19 matter. K. Mira.
May please, Lordship, kindly matter may be passed over after some time, your Lordship.
Last time also he was not there. Ask
My-
him to come. On 4/5/2026, there was no representation. So we'll not adjourn this matter. Ask him to come. Okay? Yes, next.
Oblige, your Lordship.
Wrong fine to do, isn't it? My lord, can we have it after some time, my lord? After some time, after some time.
Why after some time? You are there. Madam is there. Court is
Actually,
also there.
unfortunately, my lord, wrong
Huh?
file was handed over to me, my lord. I've got the cook from them. Is it copy it, my lord? after
Okay,
some
which
time.
19 matter. Okay, after a while, we'll accommodate you for a while.
My
You go
lord.
through the records and
My lord. Majesty.
Item 19.
May I please, your Lordship, never kindly pass over for time being, Lordship. My senior election court, Lordship.
New India Assurance.
Yes, Lordship.
And not yet admitted.
Not, yet it is not admitted, Lordship.
You are aggrieved by the order of the learned single judge.
Single judge, Lordship.
Yes, madam, you are for whom?
Insurance company, Lordship.
Okay.
I'm appearing on his behalf. I'm not in this case.
So what is your prayer? Are you ready for today?
Yeah, just pass over the matter for timing, Lordship.
He is there in the court.
Yes.
We can have it on Monday.
Lordship.
Okay.
On Monday.
On a joint request made by the learned counsel for the parties. Matter is adjourned to be listed on Monday. Pleasure.
17 matter.
May I please, your lordship, my lord? My lord, I'd like to take your lordship to, my lord, the impugn order, my lord, page 41, my lord. Annexure 8, my lord, that's a type copy, my lord.
Go to the go into here, the people. It is not I look at the other. No, go
So, it's analyzed.
Date of birth,
The date of birth has not been mentioned. But
year
as-
of birth,
Year of birth, my lord, as per the, my lord, if we compare the, my lord, voter
Affidavit.
list, my lord, of 1989. He was then 28 years old, my lord.
So year of birth approximately will be what?
Approximately would be 1960, I suppose, my lord. 1960 or 61, my lord, because in the year 1989, he was
1960.
20.
Approximately 1960.
Yes,
Okay, now tell us your case.
yes, my
Your
lord.
1960, that means you have a voter list of which year?
My lord, he had exhibited the voter list of 1989 for the first time, my lord. Before the
89, you
land-
are how many years?
He was
70,
28 years old as per
28.
the voter list, my lord. But my lord, there are some interesting, my lord, observations made by the
In
land
this
council.
89 voter list, your parents are there.
Parents' name did not reflect together along with the petitioner, but what the observations made by the learned tribunal, my lord, it is very shocking, my lord.
No, we are not on the observation. We are not on the observation.
My lord,
You may
the
got a
linkage-
transfer by case.
The linkage has been established, my lord. The only thing is that this is a single named voter list.
Linkage established through which document?
Through, my lord, the voter list of 1989, and if that is compared to, my lord, the other voter list, my lord. Just prior to that. my lord.
89. Let us
Yes.
see.
Before going to that, my lord, I'd like to go take your lordship to, my lord, the impugn order, my lord.
Now, if you know that you are not too much concerned, show us the document.
My lord. Lord, Annexure 1, my lord, it starts from page
Really?
12, my lord. Page 12, my lord. The Gaubura certificate, my lord. That
Not
was,
for a certificate.
he was not examined, my lord. Therefore, my lord, there was no discussion in the, my lord, impugn order, my lord. Now, if I take your lordship,
Exhibit what?
that was, see, my lord.
Exhibit?
Exhibit Gho, my lord.
GB certificate.
Yes, my lord.
Exhibit Go.
Yes,
GB not examined.
not examined, my lord.
Okay. Gone. Then
Then, my lord, there is another annexure, my lord, page 14. That is a family identity card of the petitioner, my lord. Everything has been, my lord, rightly mentioned. The vernacular starts at page 15, my lord. Family identity card issued by the, my lord, Food and Civil
these
Supply.
are not relevant documents, Mr. Hamad.
My lord, I
No,
have annexed, my lord, along with the petition. In fact, that was not exhibited before the concerned tribunal.
not exhibited.
That was not exhibited. I admit that. But if your lordship, my lord, kindly go through this particular, my lord, identity card, my lord. Everything has been, my lord, elaborately mentioned.
Mr. Hamad, we are on certiorari jurisdiction.
My lord, I understand, my lord.
It's not even appellate jurisdiction that
Yes.
order 41, rule 27, you can
Yes.
invoke. And voter list of 65. Who is
Voter
there?
list of 65 of father, my lord. Page 18, my lord. Nurul Islam is the father, my lord. And somewhere his father's name has been stated as Nur Islam, my lord. No, Nurul Islam and Nur Islam, my lord, somewhere.
Exhibit. Oh,
Exhibit co, my lord. In voter list of 1970, my lord. That is at page 20, my lord. Same father, my lord, Nurul Islam.
yes.
Yes, my lord. Then, my lord, the voter list of 1989 of the petitioner, single named voter list. He should have exhibited the voter list along with his parents, my lord. He was then 28 years old, my lord. Regarding that age factor, my lord, the other voter lists were not exhibited, my lord, just prior to that, my lord. And the learned member of the tribunal, he did not say anything, my lord, in the impugn order.
Village is different.
Village is different. Village, my lord, what happened, my lord? Earlier, my lord, this village, my lord, that has been fractioned into, my lord, two parts, my lord. The house remains in the same area, but the part, my lord, became a separate part, my lord. In the what happened, my lord, in one side of the road, my lord, the village has been, my lord, fractioned into a different name, my lord. Although it was, my lord, amalgamated village, my lord, earlier during the 70s period, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, the house remains in the same area. As such, my lord, it came to the knowledge of the, my lord, learned tribunal member, my lord, member of the tribunal. He did not say anything, my lord.
Father is Nuri Islam.
Father is Nur Islam as well as Nurul Islam, my
No,
lord.
no, Nuri Islam.
Nur Islam together, my lord. Islam has been joined, my lord. As such, my lord, in English, my lord, it will be pronounced as Nur Islam, my lord.
But we'll go by the whatever is been.
He has, my lord, rightly asserted in the WS, my lord, while in discharging his initial burden, my lord, regarding this aspect, my lord. And that was never controverted by the, my lord, state, my lord.
The 97 is D.
97 at D, my lord.
Oh, 97
Not exhibited, my lord. Not exhibited.
Why 97 you are not B, you are D in 97.
97, my lord. This is an extra copy of voter list. Extra.
Why have you not the vernacular is there?
Vernacular is there, my lord.
Because 97 is the crucial year where intensive revision was there.
Yes.
Not exhibited.
Not exhibited, my lord. 97.
D করা নাই no.
Very good. Not exhibited.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, if I take your lordship, my lord, to the written statement, my lord, WS, my lord, something will be very clear, my lord. That, my lord, will find at page 35, 33, my lord, annexure 5, my lord.
30.
33, my lord, annexure 5, my lord. The petitioner took, my lord, some specific stand before the learned tribunal, my lord.
That is a deposition, not written statement.
Written statement, my lord. Enacted
Where?
5, my lord.
Page
33, my lord.
33.
Yes.
Look at 35. 33. Yes, 33.
Yes. It starts from para 3, my lord.
When did you file this? 4714.
8th of July, my lord, 2014.
97. Yes. It's all idea.
47, my lord. It has been mentioned. That the whole investigation and inquiry of Superintendent of Police, Border Morigaon, is based on false information and false allegation, which is against the principle of law of natural justice, that the opposite parties being not inquired and investigated in respect of the matter, my lord. My lord, if we go by the, my lord, the verification officer's report, my lord, the entire page remains, my lord, absolutely blank, my lord. I'll go to that part.
These matters have been argued. No point arguing.
Yes, I'll not go to that part. my lord.
LVO will
But
not
for the interest of
give any
justice-
credence to you.
Yes, my lord. I am just, my lord, praying before your lordship, my lord, that lordship will kindly have a look, my lord, in the inquiry reports, my lord. I'll not press anything regarding that, but the entire
The
reports.
inquiry report, even if we assume that it is blank, will it come to your credit or will it go to the credit of the ERO?
This will not.
Why
give
is the
any benefit.
LVO done?
My lord,
Before making a reference, why is an LVO done? Only to give you a safeguard.
yes,
Not having the information will not come to your benefit.
yes,
If the LVO verification is done most perfunctorily also, it will not come to your benefit.
I understand, my lord.
Because that exercise is done only as a first stage. So that materials, if there are materials which can be collected and put in the LVO report, you may not face a proceeding.
Yes, my lord.
Now, lack of materials will not come to your aid.
I understand, my lord. Yes,
So there's no point going to the LVO.
yes, my lord.
We are interested in what is the predicament which you had suffered
My lord.
while you had faced the proceeding before the tribunal.
My lord.
Was there any hindrance for you to place all the documents? Or was it a case that in spite of placing all the documents, those have not been appreciated properly?
Yes.
That is
Therefore,
all.
my lord, from page, my lord, para 4, my lord, I'll be reading, my lord, that particular.
Of the opinion.
Of the, my lord, written statement, my lord.
Yes.
Same page, my lord.
That we have seen.
That the father of the opposite party, namely Nurul alias Nurul Islam, was an Indian citizen as because his name was enlisted in the voter list of 1965 of so-and-so number, Assam Legislative Assembly of Lahorighat constituency at village so-and-so, Moza so-and-so. And at para 5, my lord, that the father of opposite party, namely Nurul Islam, was an Indian citizen as because his name was enlisted in the voter list of 1970 of 84 number, Assam Legislative Assembly of Lahorighat constituency at village so-and-so, serial number so-and-so. So the case is liable to be dismissed. In the next page, my lord, he has said something about his father's name, my lord. Para 6, my lord, that the opposite party, Muhammad Insan Ali, son of Nurul Islam, is an Indian citizen as because the opposite party has cast his votes firstly in 1989 at village Tatikota Pothar, where he permanently resided after separation from his family, where his father's name enlisted as Nurul Islam instead of Nurul Islam.
It is not even your case that prior to 1989 you have casted vote.
Yes,
1989 you were aged 28 years.
my lord.
So at least on 2 occasions your name ought to have been in the voters list.
My lord, regarding the age and name discrepancy, my lord, there are
Not
number of-
discrepancy.
Not discrepancy, my
Not
lord.
discrepancy.
If
We are
it
not-
is, my lord, wrongly stated, my lord,
Discrepancy would be in the context of any other voters
voter
list.
list, my lord.
You see, there is a voter list of 1989 where your age is shown as 28 years.
28 years.
You have not disputed this age.
Yes, I have not
You
disputed.
have not disputed it.
But
That means there would be at least 2 occasions where your name would have to be enlisted in the voters list.
My lord, he has said clearly, my lord, that for the first time in the year 1989, he could cast his vote, my lord.
You came in
But-
89.
But the reality remains here is that, my lord, we all know, my lord, sometimes in the voter list, my lord, without comparing to other voter lists, my lord, how the ages are wrongly entered, my lord.
No, you show us. Why are you going to a...
Since because, my lord,
No, you show us your case. Why do you go to a projected case?
No, my lord, we have seen in number of cases, my lord.
No, your case. We are examining your case. We are not examining number of cases. You are not holding the brief of number of cases. You are holding the brief of your case. Show us a document prior to 1989, or show us a statement.
He was
that-
20 years old, my lord. As per the, my lord, voter list, my lord, he was 28 years old.
28. Difficult.
His name probably, my lord, was enrolled in for the first time, my lord, when he was 28 years old, my lord. Prior to that, my lord, his name was not enrolled, my lord. This is a specific stand taken by the petitioner, my lord. There are so many people, my lord, whose name, my lord, on earlier occasion, my lord, whose name was
So
not
where is
enrolled
your
in the voter
stand
list.
taken? That it was not enlisted
My lord,
earlier?
Para 6, my lord, page 34.
That is not enlisting. You have given for the first time.
First time, he said.
That you, in spite of your endeavor, it was wrongly.
No, he did not say like that. But for the first time, my lord, means,
So
my
what
lord,
this will mean two things.
my lord.
That you came to India for the first time
No, my
during that time.
lord, that can be, my lord.
And that is what section 9 is. You have to revert section 9.
My lord, what I am trying to submit before your lordship, my lord, is that his age was 28 years old, my lord, no doubt, my lord, for the when he could cast his vote for the first time in the year 1989. But my lord, prior to that, my lord, his name should have been enrolled in the voter list. There are, my lord, some cases where the, my lord, any incumbent, my lord, their names are not enrolled, my lord, when he attains 18 years of age, my lord.
Is that your case?
No, my lord, I have not said like that. But we have seen the instances, my lord.
That is not even your case. You have to argue.
There are
on
some,
your
my lord,
case.
my lord, farm stand, my lord, which should have been taken while discharging the initial burden of proof and while submitting the, my lord, written statement, my lord. That I am admitting, my lord. But the stand that has been taken by the, my lord, petitioner, my lord, was never rebutted by the state, my lord, and there was not a whispering of single word in the impugned order also, my lord, by the learned member of the tribunal, my lord. He did not say anything. He had taken a separate, my lord, observation, my lord. Therefore, my lord,
Anything else, Mr. Hamad?
I would like to take your lordship to the, my lord, impugned order, my lord.
We are not concerned to now. You show us prima facie.
My lord, prima facie, my lord,
That these are the documents before the tribunal, and this is the finding.
the only
On these
document,
documents, can a finding be given in your favor? Tell
my
us.
lord, the only document, my lord, that relates to my father, my lord, is the voter list of 1989. And there is another document, my lord, which could not be, my lord, which was not exhibited even.
Then
That is the, my
you
lord,
know the
family.
law.
And for the interest of justice, my lord,
You know
I am
the law.
referring to, my lord, that annexure 2 also, my lord. That the
Yes,
family
it is done
identity
in a
card.
certiorari jurisdiction, Mr. Hamad. You are not a new counsel. You are not on appeal before us.
Yes, my lord. But
It's not an appellate jurisdiction.
but for the interest of justice,
It's not a question of
kindly have a
interest
look,
of
my lord.
justice. We
Why I am
only
referring,
see,
my lord.
we are only entitled to see the procedure adopted by the tribunal and the factors which have been taken into consideration before coming to the impugned order.
Yes.
That is the only certiorari jurisdiction.
And 7
Had it
except,
been an appellate jurisdiction, you invoke appellate
I understand, my
jurisdiction,
lord.
you file order 41 rule 27,
Let-
bring new documents in accordance with law.
Other than these two documents, my lord, I have the, my lord, the depositions, my lord.
Depositions they have said.
Yes. Regarding the
Gaunpura
deposition part,
Gaunpura did not come. You have very
Gaur
kindly
did
said.
not come, but one of my, my lord,
Family identity card
neighbor,
not
my lord.
exhibited. Who came? Who else came?
Yes. One is, my lord, Jainal Abdin, page 38, my lord.
38. Who is it?
Annexure 7. He is one of my neighbor, my lord.
Neighbor.
Yes.
You don't have any siblings.
He doesn't have any brother, my lord. Therefore,
Brother, sisters, no.
no.
You are the lone child.
Lone child, my lord.
Let's see what was stated in your written statement.
But he has stated, my lord,
No,
wrong.
your written statement.
No.
In the written statement, my lord, he has not said anything.
Oh, yeah.
But in the deposition part, my lord, he has said, my lord,
That
I have no brother in the cross, my lord. Page 35, my lord. Last paragraph, my lord.
let us see the.
I cannot remember the year of purchasing land in my name. Page 35, last paragraph, my lord. I have no brother.
You say your mother's name is Bimola Khatun.
Bimola Khatun.
Bimola Khatun, in the voter list of 65, along with your father, Bimola Khatun was there. Or
Bimola
70.
Yes.
Hmm?
That's a single name voter list, my lord, not there, which was existing.
Bimola Khatun, let us see, go to the other, you said, the other one, Joinan.
Yes, my lord.
What is his deposition?
Journal said, my lord,
Uh,
page 38, my lord, annexure 7, my lord. I know the OP of the case. OP was born in village Moirabari. The father of the OP died in the year 1972. OP's father casted vote in the year 1965 and 70. OP's father's name is Nurul Islam, son of Arfan. Exhibit Q is the voter list of 1965 in the name of OP's father. Exhibit Q is a voter list of 1970.
These
of
are
OP's
all exhibited.
Yes.
Then come, I have forgotten the
OP
name of the
did not-
mother of the OP.
He also said, my lord, OP did not cast vote prior to 1980.
No, I have forgotten the name of the mother of the OP.
Yes.
Name of the younger brother of the OP is Saidul. You do not have any brother. He
My lord,
says you have brother.
I'll go to that part, my lord.
No, let us see.
Yes.
And Saidul resides at Tatikata village.
Yeah.
He's about 20 years.
Yes.
Father of the OP has no Miadi land.
Yes.
No one from the OP's family has ever been declared a foreigner. In the year so and so, D has been put. Wife of the OP has been casting vote and her name is Bimola Khatun.
Yes.
Your mother becomes a wife, your wife becomes a mother. You don't have a brother, neighbor says that you have a
My lord,
brother.
I'm submitting before your lordship, my lord. On the other day, my lord, my senior colleague was there. I was referring a case where the name of the, my lord, wife of the petitioner and his
Mr. Hamad,
mother's
please do
name
not give
remains same, my
instance.
lord.
Please do not give instance. You
My
stick
lord,
to your
the
case.
names,
Facts of
my
the
lord,
case.
may remain same, my lord. The name of wife as well as the name of mother may be same, my lord. It is not impossible that somebody will
Have
come
you
from outside.
stated? It cannot be impossible. Have you stated so?
No, my lord.
Then
My lord, but
You cannot
this part,
assume
my lord,
things.
should have been controverted,
you
or should have been repeated by the state, my
that
lord.
my mother's name is also Bimola. My wife's name is also Bimola.
My lord, these are the
And they
things,
have
my
a
lord.
very cordial relationship.
My lord, the state has not said anything, my lord, regarding that.
That also you should have stated. They are very friendly because their names are the same.
Therefore, my lord, in the very initial stage, my lord, I was submitting before your lordship that there are some certain stands, my lord, should have been taken by the
Okay.
petitioner, my lord, while submitting his
Anything
written
else?
statement.
Anything else?
My lord, will kindly have a look, my lord, in the impugn order, my
We
lord.
have looked.
I am referring, my lord.
We have looked. 38
There is a reason, my lord.
DW2.
Page 42, my lord.
We have seen the reason. Joinal Abedin. Abdin. Social worker. 58 years. Now, how does Joinal say that? Says that he knows you?
Lord, he simply said that I know OP of the case, my lord.
How?
Now,
I know.
if that is from his
he's
personal
he's
knowledge,
he's
that
not
has not
said
been.
so. I know the OP of the case was born in village Moirabari. Okay.
Yes.
He has not stated he is a neighbor. He is a social worker.
He is social worker, he said. But since he belongs to same village, my lord, therefore, my lord, I am referring that he is a neighbor, my lord. He has not, my lord, even demonstrated the relationship between him along with the petitioner, my lord.
He said neighbor, perhaps.
Yes, therefore, my lord, I was submitting that perhaps he's a neighbor.
Okay.
But he was 58 years old, my lord, this man was. While submitting his deposition, my lord, this Jonaluddin was 58 years old, my lord. He was elder than the petitioner, my lord. Therefore, my lord, from his personal knowledge, my lord, he has said so.
I have mine. Yes, madam.
My lord, lordship will kindly allow me, my lord, just to peruse the second part of page 42, my lord, the impugn
We
order.
have seen the.
My lord, there are a number of, my lord, wrong observations made by the member, concerned member.
We are not going by those. Will it help you?
Yes, my lord. And in fact, my lord, I have come with the, my lord, as decision of this Honorable Supreme Court also, my lord.
What decision?
He has disbelieved the name of my father, my lord. My father's name, my lord, in a single word, it was written as Nur Islam, my lord. I was written in small
What is
letter.
the decision of the Supreme Court?
Yes, my lord.
Rahim,
No, my lord, the
Kematullah, Kepatullah.
Yes.
All things were same. Everything except the name F and P, and
Yes.
that too in the grandfather.
Yes, and my
That
father's
shouldn't be
name,
the only thing.
my father's name also remains same. Only thing is that, my lord, Nur Islam and Nur Islam together.
Others? What about the other things?
My lord, other things,
Have
my
you
lord,
seen what context Honorable Justice Nariman has made those?
I have seen that, my lord, yes.
Please read it for us. Read it for us. Kamatullah, Kafatullah.
Yes, my lord, from
We have
para
read
3,
a
my lord.
number of times. Please read the paragraph.
Yes, from para 3, my lord, I'm
Yes.
reading, my lord. We have heard learned counsel for both sides extensively and have gone through the documents produced by the appellant ourselves. On a perusal of the same, we find that a number of documents have been relied upon by the appellant, starting with a voter list of his grandfather Kamatullah in village Sotobas Jani. There is no doubt that the great grandfather's name Amtullah appears as Amtullah throughout the document.
Great
Equally-
grandfather was consistent, great grandfather.
I'm good.
Then grandfather.
Equally, there is no doubt about the father's name, which appears as Hakim Ali throughout.
Yes.
The only discrepancy found is that in some of the documents, Kafatullah later becomes
Kamatullah.
Kamatullah. However, what is important to note is that his father's name Amtullah continues as Amtullah and the other family members associated continue as such. Also,
On this background, it is when you should not ignore the background.
my lord, the background of my case is that, my lord, in my lord, other part of the, my lord, the name of my father appears, my lord, as Nurul Islam. In only when my name was enrolled in the voter list of 1989, my father's name was, my lord, mentioned in a single
That is not
word,
in
my
the
lord, as Nur
consideration,
Islam
Mr.
together.
Ahmad. We are considering why your name is not there before 1989. You are 28 years of age. We are dealing with a matter of national importance.
Yes,
A person claims to be a citizen who has voted in the year 1989 at 28 years.
yes.
Aren't we entitled to ask, where is your voter list of the prior dates? What is your answer?
My lord, my answer is, my lord, lordship will kindly, my lord, consider my prayer, my lord, in this regard, my lord. Since this petitioner has taken a specific stand that he has exhibited the voter list of 1989, my lord. My lord, if any voter list remains along with him, just to establish his linkage and lineage with his father and ancestors, my lord. Lordship will kindly, my lord, allow us one chance, my lord.
So what prevented you?
My lord, by remanding this matter,
What
my lord,
prevented you at the tribunal?
at that time, my lord, the cases were handled so mechanically. If we go to the, my lord, the written statement, my lord, it was not filed separately.
This is a very nice argument. We are not going to consider this. Yes, madam.
Regarding his linkage, as he has failed, even his mother's name has not figured with his father, either in 65 or 70, lordship.
Yes, what is it?
Lordship, my submission is regarding his linkage with his project.
Father, yes.
His mother's name has also not appeared anywhere with his father, either in the 65, 70 or
We have
89.
asked him. There is no answer.
No,
It is not there in the executed document.
either like lordship, this Bimala Khatun could have taken one stand, either being a mother or the wife.
No, even if you assume that
Same
name may be same.
Same
There is
lordship.
no, it cannot, it's not an impossible thing. It can be. But why the mother's name is not there?
In the written statement also, it is not there, lordship. At page 33, only the father's name is there as he is enlisted. The mother has not figured anywhere.
Is it? Let us see.
At page 33, lordship, I have gone through the written statement, paragraph 5, lordship. It starts from paragraph 4, that the father of the opposite party, namely Nurul, alias Nurul Islam, was an Indian citizen as because his name was enlisted in the voter list of 65. And his mother's name ought to have been there because he is 28 years in 1989, lordship. A single voter list without the mother and father together cannot bring him into this world, lordship.
And this person who tried to help him, he says there is a brother. He
Yes.
says, I have no brother. How is it credible then?
And
Entire thing goes. Otherwise also, neighbor cannot
be a
testify on the citizenship issue.
Yes.
And that neighbor has said you had not casted vote before 89.
89.
Yes. There is a difficulty, my lord. Therefore, my lord,
It's more about the family than about his voting rights. Neighbor knows his mother's or wife's name. Neighbor knows he has a brother.
Brother, he doesn't know.
He doesn't know, lordship. He has to tell this.
I'm
voter-
admitting those facts, my lord. But what I'm praying before your lordship, my lord, he
Let
must
us
have some
about
other
this.
relatives, my lord.
No.
Therefore, my lord, this man, my lord,
If he had, why?
He, my lord-
You had sufficient time. This is a 2017 matter. Your reference goes back to
no,
10 years back. Yes, your reference is of 2015. You had sufficient time to place these things
My lord,
before the court.
That's what he missed out before the concerned tribunal. I'm
This is-
admitting that, my lord.
How can we accommodate him every time?
Okay, in the written statement, no disclosures.
No disclosure of.
Mother's
any-
name not there.
Sister, nothing, lordship. And written statement is the basis of his proof to his citizenship. He has to give all details there. And it is as vague as he could make it, lordship. And for the first time, if he has voted in 89, that was on, not on a proper voters list, because again in 97, his name has been marked as D. There are reasons to be marked as D, lordship. There's no explanation to that also. After that, and the 97 is an extract voters list, which was never exhibited. And 89 also, lordship, whether he has voted or not, it is rightful, lordship. We do not know.
Even from 89 to 97, how many years? There are voters list.
Voters list in
91 was an election. 95 there was an election.
See, he's not been able to show his continuous stay, nothing, just 4 vague documents. We can choose of documents, does not grant him citizenship, lordship.
His wife's name appears to be different, my lord. If your lordship, my lord, kindly turn to page 25, the extract voter list. His wife name reflects as Nirola Khatun, not Bimola Khatun.
So that is for him to explain.
And that's what, my lord, the other, my lord, person, my lord, the neighbor, he had wrongly submitted, my lord, before.
He's your person.
That's an
I understand.
You have produced him.
Everything I am admitting, my lord.
Yeah.
What are the mistakes I am admitting? But what I am praying
Yes,
before your
any-
lordship, my lord.
Any decision, madam?
Lordship will kindly allow me, my lord, one chance, my lord, just to, my lord, my lord, adduce one
Lordship,
more witnesses before the concerned tribunal.
my friend cannot go beyond his.
But
pleading.
where are the grounds for remand? No grounds for remand at all.
What decision are you referring, madam?
Rashmi Nara Begum, lordship, it is reported in 2017, 4 GLT.
4.
4 GLT 346.
346. Rashmi?
Nara, Rashminara. Rashmi Nara Begum. And 22.
Paragraph.
Paragraph 25, lordship.
Okay.
On what point?
Third paragraph, may I read it, lordship? Written statement is the basic statement of defense of a proceeding before the Foreigners Tribunal, keeping in mind the mandate of Section 9 of the Foreigners Act 1946. It is incumbent upon the proceeding to disclose at the first instance itself. It is in his written statement all relevant facts, especially within his knowledge, having a material bearing on his claim to citizenship of India.
Correct.
Material facts pleaded in the written statement are thereafter required to be proved by adducing cogent and reliable evidence. It is also tried that a party cannot traverse beyond the pleadings made in the statement.
Okay.
My lord, may I pray one thing, my lord? My lord,
Have you completed, madam?
Yes.
That yes.
yes, my lord. My lord, since this man, my lord, he could not bring out, my lord, he could not adduce one of his relative, my lord, at least, just to examine before the, my lord, concerned tribunal. Because since he has said that he has no brother, my lord, biological brother, he must have some cousin or someone else, my lord.
Must have means you're not very sure.
My lord, someone
You just
from his,
cannot make a submission like this, Mr. Ahmad.
my lord, what I'm
You
trying
don't
to
take
submit, my
submission
lord,
and presumption.
not
Must have
presumption.
been,
My lord,
would have been.
my lord,
Where
he
is your
has,
specific case?
he
that
has
you have a
relatives, my
brother?
lord, about whom, my lord, he has not demonstrated.
Where have you
in his-
stated you have related?
Yes, about whom he has not demonstrated in the
Then
written
how
statement.
do you presume? You're
Lord,
making a submissions in
My
the
lord,
air.
one of his relative, my
We
lord,
do
he
not
may
have that
come, my
much
lord.
of luxury to entertain this kind of submission. Sorry.
I'm sorry to say, my lord. I'm not submitting, my lord. I was trying to submit otherwise, my lord. My lord, one of his relatives may come, my lord, and my lord, he may, my lord, depose before the concerned tribunal, my lord. And regarding the deposition of my lord DW2, my lord, he has wrongly stated, it is apparently clear from the, my lord, voter list of 97 that his wife is
So will
not
this,
Bimola
will this
Khatun.
submission come to your aid? He's your DW. He has stated something. You are saying he has wrongly stated. How does it benefit you? It will be against you. Conveyance was not a judge. Well, the official brother, I have one brother, I have no brother, mother and no money. He said to college, I will have a wife is in the north, as a brother. And he has not put anything. Okay, please wait. Jayad Hamad, then A. Verma. Who else? N. Kolita, ECI. P. RB Bora. And Timothy K. Fukan, CDC. Hearing is started, judgment is reserved.
Start.
Go to Russell now.
Oh, he's getting
May I plead your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I am newly engaged advocate. I filed a Bokalatama today. My name has not been shown here.
Mira is not appearing.
No,
You're Islam.
Pia Ahmed.
Oh, you're P. Ahmed. Oh, your name is not there.
Not there. Today I have filed the Bokalatama. Kindly give me 2 days time.
Okay, we'll have it on Tuesday next or Thursday next.
Right.
Okay, madam, so we'll accommodate a new council. When this matter was called up, there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Full stop. Even on the earlier occasion, that is 4/5/2026, the petitioner was not represented. Full stop. Para. When this matter has been called up on the second occasion, comma, Sri P. A. Ahmed, Learned Counsel, has informed that he has entered appearance on behalf of the petitioner recently and prays for some accommodation. Para. Also heard Ms. A. Verma, so and so, huh? Para. Considering the above, this court grants some accommodation to Sri Ahmed, the Learned Counsel, to prepare the case. Para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on 14th May, Thursday. Have you filed your Okalutama in the meantime?
Yeah, today I have filed.
Okay,
Already I have filed.
the name of Sri P. Ahmed be reflected in the cause list.
I get 6.
Oh. 2017, Mr. Ahmed.
Yes, my lord. Impugn order is page 66, my lord. In this case, my lord, a petitioner himself addresses DW1 and DW2 is the Gaugura and DW3 is the father and DW4
Just a
is
minute,
the...
just a minute. Give us 1 minute.
না ভাই তো একটাই আছে
আপনি কইলো থাকতে দিন
ও আপনি মোট খাবার করলে হবে।
বেশি ঠান্ডা হয়ে যায় এরকম করছে এটা মাত্র ঠিক করে বলে বেশি ঠান্ডা হয়ে আছে হ্যাঁ মানে এটা পারিনি করো It's like 18 and 21 and 40.
Commission we produced according to purposes.
opinion the picture versus
No. পরিচিত কি হয়েছে সেটা বলো।
Year of birth, date of birth,
Actually, my lord, in this case, my lord, petition is illiterate person, my lord.
on the date of birth, year of birth,
Yes, my lord. Year
Year.
of birth is as per, my lord, a voter I card. Twenty-nine হলে 17 যদি 29 হয় 29 2017
2017.
হুম হুম
29
29
minus 29.
around 1989
1989.
yes.
Okay. What is your case?
In this case, my lord, DW1 is the petitioner, and DW2 is the Gauhati who has examined and he's proved the certificate.
Now let us see the documents first.
Yes, my lord.
How many witnesses?
4 witnesses.
Four witnesses.
4. DW3 is the father.
4 DWs. One
Yes.
DW1 is petitioner.
Petitioner.
2
Gaubura.
Gauhati. 3
Father.
and 4.
4 is the relative.
What relative?
A kind of uncle, my lord.
Kind of.
Yes, my lord. Here is the as per DW4, my lord.
Maternal or paternal?
Yes,
Neither.
yeah.
Village uncle.
I'm a maternal side, my lord. As per statement of the DW4.
Sure.
Yes, as per DW4, my lord.
Maternal uncle.
Grandmother says.
Okay. Documents.
Documents here is, my lord, page 17, my lord.
17.
16 is the Barnex, translate copy, my lord.
You have, not,
19,
you have not proved this.
yes, my lord.
Proved, not proved.
No. 1958 voter list, my lord, in the name of grandfather.
Not proved.
This voter list is not
Not
submitted
proved.
also
Not
in
proved.
that
Not
document.
proved. So are
page
the
19.
voter lists which have been proved.
Page 19, my lord.
19.
Yes, 66 voter list.
62.
66.
19. 1963. Yes, this is proved. 1966.
Grandfather
Cecilia matter.
and grandmother.
Oh, that is Cecilia.
Page 20 Barnacle.
Writing
Page 19, 19.
Gurumari and C. Gurumari.
1966. Who is there? Montaz.
Mumtaz.
Who is Montaz?
Mumtaz is the grandfather.
Montaz Ali.
Mumtaz Ali,
Grandfather.
grandfather.
And Moina Bibi is
Moina means
grandmother.
grandmother.
Yes. Which village?
Number 1 Magormari.
This exhibit.
Exhibit 3 minutes. Exhibit 3.
Exhibit 3.
Yes.
Yes, thereafter.
Thereafter, my lord, voter list of 1985.
Not produced. Not produced. Not exhibited.
If he has not trusted the
Not exhibited.
Same is the case with 97.
Mm.
So, okay.
Which are the documents which were placed before the tribunal as evidence? You show us those documents.
Exhibit 3 is the voter list of 1966. My lord.
That we have seen,
Yes.
63, 63.
And another is, my lord, exhibit 4 is the ration card, which is annexed in the deed petition. 5 is the residential certificate issued by the Gaubura. 6 is affidavit, my lord. 7 is a unregistered land document, my lord, in the name of father.
What about exhibit 1 and 2?
1 and 2 is voter I card.
We
Voter
do
I
not have any document.
my lord, voter identity card, my lord.
Voter identity card, will it
Voter
be-
identity card and my lord, one voter list, my lord,
Epic is
1989.
nothing, epic election for,
Yes, my lord.
that is not a, not,
And my lord, in the voter list of 2010, my lord, a petitioner and his entire family name appear, my lord, and against one single house number, my lord, page 37.
you exhibited.
No, my lord. My lord, what happened in this case, my lord? A petitioner himself conducted case, my lord. He has no any advocate, my lord.
Smart petitioner.
He has no any advocate, my lord. He has conducted himself.
He doesn't rely upon anybody.
Yes, my lord. Don't know, my lord. He is a poor labor, my lord. And he's put thumb. I have gone through the record, my lord. There is no any okalat, no, my lord, on behalf of the petitioner in the court below.
Then who prepared the written statement?
My lord, I told him, my lord, he has stated before me that some clerk in the court, my lord, he has prepared the voter list on his system.
Not voter list, written statement.
Written statement.
Clerk, if they produce, prepare the voter list,
Yes.
it will be dangerous.
And 37, page 37, his name appear along with his parents, mother, and etc.
37 is not, was not before the tribunal.
Yes, my lord. That's a problem, my lord. And moreover, my lord, in this case, my lord,
37, we cannot go by 37. We
Yeah.
don't even know the
Yes.
authenticity of 37. Whether this is an authentic document or not, it has not
the ration card is produced, my lord.
surpassed the test of cross-examination.
The ration card is produced, my lord. Page 48.
You have given 66 voter list, that of your grandparents.
Grandparents.
Now, where is the voter list of your parents?
Parents voter list of 1985,
Not exhibited.
not
So
again.
how do you link? Don't you think that is far-fetched? Absolutely.
So many voter lists here, but has not proved in the before the tribunal, my lord. Even he has not submitted voter list, my lord. Though the voter list with his hand, my lord. And he has not properly guided, my lord. That's why that is the problem, my lord. But his father was examined in this case, my lord. Relatives examined.
What
Gaupka
is father's
Yes.
deposition?
Yes, sir. Page 60.
60.
Yes. Barnacular is page 61.
You are also annexing affidavit of Mazibar and you are saying that you are illiterate and you suffered predicament in contesting, come to page 51. Who has produced this? Who has prepared this affidavit? This affidavit? Those submission will not have any impact upon us.
This is magical.
Understood. This further.
Written statement
What
prepared
is
by,
prepared the affidavit, no?
Mm.
You cannot take about please decision of illiterate. Wonderful, I did prove I cannot.
Mm.
I don't know. Where is the deposition?
page 60 Milord.
60.
Yes. Mujibur Rahman.
Majibur Akman.
Father,
Yes.
huh?
Yes.
DW 3.
P.
Yes, please read.
MD.
The second party.
Yes.
Second paragraph.
Yes.
Second party is my.
The second part is my third son. We live together. Exhibit 3 is the copy of voter list of 1966 contains the name of my father, Montaz Ali. I had casted my vote for the first time in the year 1985. Though he has stated but not submitted any voter list. Yes. My father casted vote during his lifetime.
He is aged about 68 years.
Yes.
And he had casted vote for the first time in 1985.
85.
That itself is slightly.
No, it
A
is.
that fact not explained in the evidence minute also minutes.
55.
And the written statement only half page.
Come on.
First time it was. 68 years he is in 2016.
16.
16.
And will not.
Just a minute.
Yes.
1951, you know. 1951, 35 years.
Perfect too.
Perfect. So why should you vote for the first time in 1985? Petitioner is the third son.
Yes.
So the petitioner has siblings,
Yes.
not disclosed.
Yes. Yes. In the voter list of 2010 Miller, entire family's name is reflected. Miller.
But those were not certified copies or proof.
For a moment, Miller, page 37.
Now, first let us finish page 60. Page 60, please
Yes,
read the entire.
Contents.
I
had cast my vote for the first time in the year 1985. My father casted vote during his lifetime and died about 19 years ago. I did not submit voter list of other year. Exhibit 7 is a copy of Ketsa sale deed. The land is govt and the pay revenue is Tozi. Since 1.5 years stop the revenue. The revenue paying receipt did not submit before the court. Keep at home. We have living one number Magulmari since the day of my grandfather. My grandfather was called by two names. One is Mokorali and other is Posasek. We are the resident of this village since long back. My son Miarali is a citizen of India and got lost the case falsely. And this is evidence, Miller, and the state authority has not controverted Miller. And Miller, as per tribunal order, Miller, the tribunal did not give any finding on DW 2 and 4 Miller. Fazar Ali.
ট্রান্সলেশন টো অলপ গড়বড় এইবোৰ প্ৰতিলিপি এইবোৰ নাই দিয়া আদালতত
আৰু এজন আছে ফজৰ আলী আছে এজন
ভোটাৰ তালিকাৰ সৈতে প্ৰতিলিপি দাখিল কৰা হয় কৰা নাই হয় Translation is not proper. See, Mr. Ahmed, the statement of DW3 in page number 61.
There is also another Milord, DW Milord, Fazar Ali. That is maybe 5.
4 is maternal uncle Magar.
Mm.
5 is also there.
5 is also there, Milord. But as per tribunal order, there is no mention about Fazar Ali Milord. But as per certificate copy and record, in the record, the statement is available, Milord. Fazar Ali, one Fazar Ali Milord.
How is he connected?
Fazar Ali Milord, মই ফজর আলী পিতা স্বয়ংস মৌজা স্বয়ংস মই এজন ভারতীয় নাগরিক অসমৰ স্থায়ী বাসিন্দা উক্ত গোচৰৰ দ্বিতীয় পক্ষই এজন জন্মসূত্ৰে ভাৰতীয় নাগৰিক ও অসমৰ স্থায়ী বাসিন্দা যিহেতু দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ জন্ম এই গাঁৱতে হি ইজ দ্য ভিলেজাৰ মিলর দ্য গোচৰৰ পিতা মজিবৰৰ জন্ম এই গাঁৱতে আৰু এওঁৰ পিতা মন্তাজ আলীৰ জন্ম এই গাঁৱতে অৰ্থাৎ শ্যামবাৰী মৌজাৰ 1 নং মাগুৰমাৰী গাঁৱত হয় মই উক্ত মন্তাজ আলী দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ নিজ ককাক হয় আৰু এওঁৰ নাম 72 নং মঙলদৈ বিধানসভা সমষ্টিৰ শ্যামবাৰী মৌজাৰ 1 নং মাগুৰমাৰী গাঁৱৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকাত ঘৰ নম্বৰ 46 অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত হৈ আছে সত্যপাঠ মই ফজৰ আলীয়ে ধৰ্মত প্ৰতিজ্ঞা কৰি কওঁ যে ওপৰত লিখা সকলো দফাৰ সকলো কথা মোৰ জ্ঞানত বিশ্বাসমতে সত্যই 15/12/2015 মিলত that is the certificate of Milord. This part may be in the record Milord. A deposition and Milord about Fazar Ali Milord. There is no any whisper in the tribunal order Milord.
But further, what is he said actually? Will it be allowed any relevance?
Relevance means he's a villager Milord. He's a senior citizen of this village.
Oral evidence.
Oral evidence Milord.
You know the importance, you know the significance of an oral evidence.
That may be reflected in the tribunal order Milord.
No,
That does not reflect.
let us accept your argument that the tribunal has not taken into cognizance this particular evidence. We take it into evidence.
Yes.
We take into cognizance. But oral evidence, how will it make any difference?
Oral evidence is admissible other than Milord rebutted by the other side Milord.
There are case laws. Rebuttal is not necessary in all cases.
No, Milord. In this case, Milord,
What have you stated to rebut? What has the DW4/5 has stated?
Yes,
Which needs
4,
rebuttal?
4 is Mogor Ali Milord.
No. What has 5 said?
5 said Milord already.
He has not even said how is he connected.
Connected Milord.
It's not even said.
PW5 Fazar Ali stated that petitioner's father name Mojibur and Mojibur's father's name is Montaz Ali, who has been residing in the village long back Milord.
How does he know?
He is a villager.
No, where is it stated that I say in the same village I know them? Nothing is stated.
Milord, in the record Milord.
No, we have it. We have it. You have an enclosed to the writ petition. Here, have you?
Yes, Milord. It is
Page 65. 65 of your writ petition is DW5.
Yes, Fazar Ali. That is the Fazar Ali Milord.
He has not stated anything that I even reside in the same village.
মই ফজর আলী পিতা সয়ংস সাং 1 নং মাগুরমারি মৌজা শ্যামবাড়ি থানা ধুলা দরং ধর্মত প্রতিজ্ঞা করি কও মই এজন ভাৰতীয় নাগৰিক আৰু স্থায়ী বাসিন্দা
Hmm.
উক্ত গোচৰৰ দ্বিতীয় পক্ষে এজন জন্মসূত্ৰে ভাৰতীয় নাগৰিক ও অসমৰ স্থায়ী বাসিন্দা যিহেতু দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ
How does
জন্ম
it
এই
state
গাঁৱতে
how does it state there that he knows them? The
He-
second party of the above case is an Indian citizen, permanent resident of a village of Assam, was born in the village. What is the age of this Father Ali?
ফজৰলি is
Age you have not disclosed,
not mentioned.
not disclosed.
Maybe that was judgment or whatever.
Yes, anything else, Mr. Ahmed?
Yes, my lord. In this case, my lord, father examined as DW3, my lord,
Yes, let us
but-
see his deposition.
and DW3 is space already
Page,
written.
page
Page 60, my lord.
60.
You had shown this.
Yes.
60 you have just read. Petitioner is your third son.
Yes. And DW2, my lord, Gauhati, page 58, my lord.
Fifty?
Page 58, my lord.
58, yes. Who is Abdul Sattar, the Gambura?
Gaugura of village. Same village.
What does he say?
On oath, I depose that the second party of the above case is a permanent resident of my village. The father Mujibur Rahman and grandfather Mumtaz Ali of the second party were born in the village number 1 Magurmari. The above Mumtaz Ali name is appears in the voter list of 1966 at village Ek Nong 1 number Magurmari under Shambari Mouza of 72 Nong Mongoldoy Legislative Assembly Constituency at serial number so and so. On oath, I depose that the second party is a citizen of India by birth and permanent resident of Assam.
True to my
And he
knowledge.
was also cross-examined, my lord.
He was cross-examined.
Yes, my lord. In the record, my lord. I have no.
It's
that-
in the
I have
record.
no-
Residential certificate exhibited.
Hmm.
Proved.
বাঁচি গেছে নাকি?
We are moving on.
No, I think to find no, my lord, I am relying on judgment, my lord. In this, in the order of tribunal, my lord.
Yeah, it was not there. Advocate not there, no. Advocate for opposite party. No.
Yes.
My lord, I am relying in one point, my lord. In the tribunal order, my lord, there is no any finding on DW 2 and 4 and 5. And moreover, my lord, as per tribunal order, there is not a single word about the DW 5, my lord. And in this regard, my lord, in the case of Jamila Khatun, my lord, and the coordinate bench remanded the back matter to the tribunal to give fresh opinion on the DWS, my lord. And moreover, my lord, in the case of Abdul Khalek, my lord, when the proceeding side is adduced evidence, the other side did not rebut the evidence, my lord. That evidence is admissible, my lord. That is the
No,
Abdul
that
Khalek
has
side.
been dealt with in a number of cases later on, Abdul Khalek.
And moreover, my lord, Gaubura certificate is proved by the authority, issuing authority. And in the case of Rubjan Begum, my lord, only 2 points, my lord. Contents of the certificate and authenticity of the certificate.
The citation?
Yes.
You have not given the citation.
Yeah, I will hand over this judgment.
Which certificate are you talking about?
Gaubura.
But you cannot say that the tribunal has not considered the other witnesses. See the first line of his findings is after mentioning what the other witnesses have stated. He said, I have considered the evidence by the proceedee as well as other witnesses.
That only that sentence, my lord, reflected in the tribunal order, my lord.
I have perused the statements made by proceedee in the written statement as well as evidence on affidavit of the proceedee and his other witnesses. So that was considered.
Kindly see other witnesses have any statement of the tribunal, my lord. There is no any discussion.
Before that, the tribunal has recorded what the other witnesses have stated. See, DW2, 3, 1, DW2, Gaubura, 3, Majibur, 4, Magar.
There is no mention about 5.
5, what he had said.
Why not, my lord?
That was not.
He has stated before the tribunal, my lord. As Mojibur is the son of Milord Montaz Ali,
That
and
everyone has to-
Mir Ali is the son of Mujibur. They are totally silent, Milord, in the tribunal order.
Mr. Ahmed, what you are trying to emphasize, DW5.
Yes.
DW5, the position, will it make any change, any substantial change in the decision making? What has DW5 stated? Further early.
Milord, my point is, Milord, a tribunal may have stated in the order, Milord. Whether rejected or accepted, that is the another thing, Milord. A tribunal have the duty to mention, Milord. He has stated before the tribunal, Milord, on oath. And that part totally silent, Milord, omitted in the order. That cannot be, Milord.
আপনি রূপায়ণ বিচাৰিছিলে ৰূপায়ণটো মই দি দিওঁ 2018
আচ্ছা।
1SCC
ডিসকাস কৰা নাই পিছে কি ভাইভেনে কি কৈছে আধা পাৰ্টি শুনি লওঁ দিয়ক 5 মিনিট আছে
Yes, like to have you. But you give the citation in a separate
Yes, I am
page.
giving.
Madam, give it in a separate page. Make the citation, give it to a court master.
No, look.
Firstly, Lordship is name with his parents. I don't think is there because I just took a note. Didn't have a petition copy. So 58 not there, 85 not exhibited, the name was there. And 89.
We can do one thing, madam. We can have this completed tomorrow. You, whatever is required, because second half very difficult for us to sit because of some programs.
After motion tomorrow,
After motion, this will be the motion means fresh motion.
fresh.
Mr. Ahmed, we'll take this as a
Yes.
first item tomorrow.
Yes.
Completed. We don't want to, because we will have to give
Yes, Milord, there is a
given a
single
chance to
vote.
rejoin.
Yes.
and you also place your judgments
Yes, Milord. Tomorrow I will place. One.
Heard in part. List for further hearing tomorrow.
Kali দেব না Kali দেব না
You can also check the records, both of you. Records, original records are there.
Yes.
এখানে থাকিব না এখানে থাকিব
Any matters where there is urgency, dates are required to be given, you can request our court master if there is urgency. Otherwise, dates will be given.
No, single bench board. Paisa